Wow. I decided to watch my two hens together, laying their eggs together, hatched it. Now they are raising it. I thought that it would not work, but when I started it, this is the result. Look at them, wonderfully raising their chicks, working together, feeding them together. I bought two hens and put it around my house for them to lay eggs, hatch the egg, and make babies. But I found that each time they lay the eggs, I don't know what actually come overnight to come and pick up or eat up the eggs. So where they started laying again, I decided to mesh the two in one cage and lock them up. It was so amazing. Both of them started laying eggs. Though sometimes one will try to lay eggs and move away from the other. But I monitored them and made sure that both of them were laying together, because I don't want anything to happen to their eggs again. So I began to monitor them, watch them as they lay their eggs. So to my surprise, and I found that after laying the eggs, both of them now started incubating the eggs one after the other. I was like, let me see the outcome of it. Both of them was laying the egg, incubating it, nurturing it. I was watching. The eggs are totally 7. So I was like, maybe one will pick 4, one will pick 3. So I was watching, but when the Ferrari came on, and I found that both of them laid the eggs, hatched it. Now both of them are raising it. I was so marveled. So even animals can even understand and lay things together, have that cooperation to train their chicks together. So when I watched it, I was so marveled. I enjoyed it, and I was like, God is wonderful. Even animals too, chickens, can also lay eggs and raise their chickens together. Wonderful. Just look at them.